How to add another Gmail account in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Press the Open Gmail application on your Android phone. Sign in to your particular account and tap Profile icon at top right corner. And you will get access to the section where you'll see all your Gmail account. So at bottom of the screen you will see add another account. Select that. Now from this list of account types, choose Google. And you have to verify your password. Now you will get access to the sign in page where you have to enter the email and phone number and tap on the next button. You can easily recover your email by tapping on forget email. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password. You simply need to enter your password, and after that you can easily agree to the terms and condition and your Gmail account will be successfully added to your Android phone. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.